I've just set up the bamboo organizer. What do you say? Yeah, go ahead. Okay. So I've set it up. It's not with the wires yet, but I wanted to show it to you how everything fits in relationship. It was so easy. This is the iPhone 5, 6. This is a tablet and watch. Now, this super easy, nice magnetic stick there. You do have your wire that comes through the back here, comes up here, so that your watch is charging without wires coming out. The others, you do need the wires coming this way. You've got your little pen holder here, and on the back here, this was nice. They put this little foam, and it's not really, it's a very thin foam, or piece of rubber actually, just to keep your phone from scratching, you know, your screen from coming into hard contact. So I thought that was really thoughtful as well. The bamboo feels very, very solid. It's light enough, and yet, I don't know, it is so solid that it almost seems like an oak, because bamboo usually has little tiny splits in it. But this, maybe there, just the slightest little bit right there. Yeah, this is a very good piece of bamboo. I don't think my cutting board is even this tight. Wow. So, there you have. This is how mine came. I'm sure yours will be just as beautiful.